Hi, my name is Teacher Ailyn, and I'm so excited to meet you. I'm a certified ESL teacher, and I've been helping students of all ages to improve their English skills. In my class, we'll focus on speaking confidently, building vocabulary, and using real-life English. We'll practice through conversations, games, and activities so you won't be bored. My teaching style is patient, encouraging, and interactive. I believe everyone can learn English with the right support and practice. I can't wait to meet you and be your teacher and help you reach your English goals. See you in class. Bye!